baby. Oh, that's
my gosh,
monster.
the gimbal.
No, who cares about the gimbal, baby? My monster. Oh my gosh. Look, and she's just out here recording like I ain't trying my best to keep everything running, baby. In the rain, I need an umbrella, not a video. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
This thing's blowing me away.
Crazy. Oh my
Baby,
gosh.
just put it away. Baby, I was just trying to see where you're talking. Oh no, hold on. Oh, baby, the chair.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on. The chair went rolling, baby. What the? Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, baby, the chair again.
There's
Why
literally
is that lady in a wedding dress out there in the wind? I gotta show y'all what is happening.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this. Lady, what are you doing, lady?
There's more circle wavers.
What are you doing? All the circle wavers. I couldn't see anyway. Oh my God. Hold on.
Okay, we have a story to
We're
tell
going to get
y'all
the circle
after.
wavers still, maybe. Keep it going. I got you. We got you. I got to step on one chair. Baby, you're going to have to stop doing that and come grab these chairs. Get the time lapse alone. And you think the phone's going to stand there?
Oh my gosh, it is. I have the thing on it.
What?
Right, I'm sorry, guys, if we missed you.
You
Right
were-
over there.
you were
See, corner,
dying on that-
under Mardi Gras words.
Baby, you weren't going to let that time lapse go for nothing. I was over here like Twister with a foot on one chair, a foot on two chairs, trying to turn for the circle
Oh,
wavers.
sorry. Oh, right here.
Oh, I hope I'm getting everyone. All right, we got you still. And whatever's happening out here. All right. I love y'all, but hopefully that's it. My gosh.
Honey, did you just see what was happening behind us?
Maybe I didn't because I got the chair blew literally 4 cars down.
I know. But I had to hold on to the phone, but there was a lady that they just got married.
Oh, I showed the married lady. I didn't know why someone was in a wedding dress down there.
Oh, wait. Circle wave. White
There,
shirt, blue short. Or white shirt, blue pants on the very back deck corner.
It's not zooming now. What the? All right, here we go. I know you're not doing that in a
right
moment,
there.
them too.
Blue.
All right, yes, let's go. Chairs are laying everywhere.
Oh my gosh, that was crazy.
What was that? Like a
You
tornado
should
went
be
through
doing
here.
this.
What?
I said you should be in the thing.
All right. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I think I got you. Sorry, baby.
Oh my gosh, Denise, are you kidding?
And you were running. I'm
Are you
zoomed out,
kidding?
baby. I didn't do it on
I'm
purpose.
gonna get you.
I promise I didn't do it on purpose, baby.
Honey, go get in front of the camera and show them how windy it is. Look at this, y'all.
This way? This way?
Yeah, but it's too zoomed in.
Well, baby, pinch it like this.
There you go. Now do it.
Oh, baby. Oh, that's
my
my
gosh,
monster.
the gimbal.
No, who cares about the gimbal, baby? My monster.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, what's happening? Hold on.
Okay, this is
Oh, I just
crazy.
blew
We
my
gotta put
monster
stuff
over
in the
again.
car. It's too windy.
Baby, all right.
Here, you get this and I will go get.
Put the chairs away. Hold on, everyone. What is going on? There might be a. This is like a
Seriously,
hurricane.
I know. This is worse than a hurricane. Sorry, guys. It's not usually this chaotic if you're new.
I see Brandon. Brandon! Hold on over there. Snacking and chatting. 'Chatting. Good to see you. Appreciate you watching with us, everyone. Thank you, Yoda Base. What? Airboats are awesome. Charlotte said, Costa said, I love your energy, guy. Baby, it's too much. Costa, love your energy, guys. I can imagine how fun it would be to go with you to an amusement park and a roller coaster. I love this energy, honestly. Thank you. Appreciate you. MIW said, yeah, you guys need to get in after this when we completely understand. We want you to be safe. Thank you. 10 out of 10, BK. Appreciate you. Thank you, Hamster. Baby, everybody's talking about my burp, and I didn't mean to do it. And you're recording me right now, baby. Thank you, Mr. Three Strands said, weather aware and out of there. Thank you so much for that very generous super chat. $10, my man. Thank you so much, everyone. Baby, the rain's coming. We're going to have to get out of here for sure, everyone.
Oh, my God.
I'm sorry, but we are.
Oh, are you staying for this one?
Carmel. Oh, baby. Yes. Are you not?
I am, but oh, my gosh. Now it's really strong.
All right, guys. I got to take... Oh, my God. We ain't going nowhere, baby. I ain't leaving until this one does. Oh my gosh. Look, and she's just out here recording like I ain't trying my best to keep everything running, baby. In the rain, I need an umbrella, not a video. She's having the time of her life out here. Oh man, that's cold rain too. This is cold rain, Auntie Kim. This umbrella's not gonna make it. I'm gonna record you, baby. Hold on. You can't even open the umbrella. Baby, it's an open, baby. Oh my God. Here, put my phone away. Look at this umbrella, y'all. Am I on the screen, baby? Look at this. I got it. I got it, baby. Here it comes.
Oh my gosh. What is up? Oh wait, the thingy.
All right, Disney treasure, come on. Here. Oh, thank you. Much better. Oh, baby.
I gotta go in the car.
All right, I got it, baby. You go in the car. Is your mic on?
No.
You didn't even have your mic on this whole time. I'm the only one. Oh, baby, could you see me? Could you see the umbrella? Could you see it?
I don't know. Do it again.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
This thing's blowing me away.
Crazy. Oh my gosh.
Baby, just put it away. This is not.
This is a wild stream. Rain or shine, it's cruise ship time, y'all.
Is your mic on?
Yeah.
All right.
Yep, the umbrella
thing's
is a
going.
goner, Chloe.
I can't get it to close now.
At all?
And hopefully it's not too windy or you're just going to see a bunch of shaky circle wavers, maybe. And that's the best I could do for you, cruise fan. Circle wave time, I got you. Kind of got you. We kind of got you. Look at the little sign
10 out
treasure
of
there
10.
for you.
10 out of 10.
There we go, Nelly. What we got, my man,
Have
Nelly?
a great
Come
cruise,
on.
guys. Oh, up top. There's a group of people circling.
Oh yeah, let's go, baby. I got you. Circle wave time. Let's get it. We got y'all, kinda.
Another set of circle wavers right below the white slide. See
Oh yeah, I see them, baby. I
and
got
they're
you.
in sync, doing it
We
quickly.
got you.
Love it. Love that circle wave.
7 out of 10 from Nelly on the Nelly
Love
scale for
it.
being in this weather. I like it, Nelly. Let's go. Cheryl, 5 out of 10. Oh, Family Fun's giving the treasure a 1 out of 10. Sean, good to see ya. 20% rain chance for tomorrow, baby. Let's hope it ain't wind. Appreciate you, Cruising T. Thank you, Cruise family. Hope you enjoyed the stream. The weather's just too crazy. 0. Jarvis, thank you. We'll see you tomorrow as well. Anastasia, Mitchell, Joe, Auntie Kim, Nellie.
Yes, everybody, thank
for
you for being here today. We appreciate you. Thank you for all the likes and the new subscribers. We appreciate you so much. We hope you guys are enjoying the channel.
Carol C. Morticia, cheerio, my friend.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Good to see you. Thank you, everybody.
here.
Mr. 3 Strands. Truly appreciate each and every one of you. Liz, Charles G, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow, my friends. We love you, Cruise fam. Thanks for the love, support, the likes, the donation. Train was crazy. Peace and love. Roller coaster's going. There it is, horn battle. There we go, everybody. Carnival Vista, Carnival Mardi Gras horn battle to start the day. Let's get it, Cruise fam. Mitch loves a good horn battle. Morticia's in the house.
I love the sound of Vista's horn too.
Everybody's excited, baby.